How to make a baby shark costume. You'll need 3 pieces of white felt, 1 piece of black felt, 1 piece of cardboard, a hot glue gun, scissors, and a hoodie. For the first step, cut 2 semicircles out of white felt and then place it on the front of the sweater. Then, using a zigzag pattern, cut the teeth out of white felt. Next, trace a fin shape out of white felt and then cut it out. Cut the same fin shape out of cardboard. Next, hot glue the felt fins on both sides of the cardboard fin. Then hot glue the fin onto a rectangular cardboard base. Hot glue the cut felt semicircles onto the front of the sweater. Then hot glue the felt teeth to the hood of the sweater. Next, glue the fin to the back of the sweater. Lastly, we need some eyes. Cut 2 medium circles out of white felt, and then cut 2 small circles out of black felt. Hot glue the black circles onto the white circles to finish your eyes. Take the shark eyes and glue 1 to each side of the sweater's hood. And there you have it, your very own baby shark costume.